Hey guys, it's Vince with Green Joe Coffee. Today what I'm covering is unboxing. I got a big shipment that came in from Amazon. Okay, so starting first off, this is actually a faucet, and what I have here is a quick connect, and I got this one because it's bendable. And for my coffee cart, what I plan on doing is having my triple sink on a drawer. Actually, that's a good step into this point right here. So this is a drawer system. As you can see, it's a pull-out system. And so my triple sink, what I really wanted to do was kind of imagine like on this table that I'd be able to reach under and pull out my triple sinks. It's very similar to what I'm trying to shoot for. So here's the drawers that came in, quick connect faucet. Here's my faucet itself, a little bit more expensive, but I really wanted this quick connect system because I could take this faucet off and then add in a spray hose, which is really nice when it comes to cleaning the big hot beverage dispensers. So that's pretty nice. This right here, so it says flexible camper drain. And basically all this is the drain for my gray water to feed directly into 7-gallon tanks. So then here, these are magnets. This one I'm going to be using I'll be using the magnets for equipment, but also to hang up some decoration on the front and the sides of the coffee cart. So I got a bunch of different magnets. These ones are real strong. Kind of coming down the line here. So this is so I got 2 units here. This is an accumulator tank, and then this is my water pump. Pretty pricey water pump. Gone through a lot of water pumps in the past, and so I didn't mind springing good money on a solid water pump. Just in the past, what I've had is water pumps go bad on me. These diaphragms go bad on me. So I was really shooting for something that's a little bit more sturdy, a little bit more hardy. I got this one called Seaflow, had really good reviews on it. Self-priming, which I liked. This particular one, I got 110. It also comes with a couple different accessories for the water pump. So I really like this one. That also has an accumulator tank. And what this does is it just maintains pressure. I think with espresso machines is key. I want to deliver steady pressure to the espresso machine. Sanitized bucket, and then some test strips. I usually use bleach. Over here, this is just for my dishes. So they had a couple different fancy ones. I ended up going with a fairly cheap one, but it's pretty sturdy, so I'm pretty happy with it. Everything so far looks good. So there you got it. That's the first shipment that comes in. I still have a few more that I'm waiting on. Things like my refrigerator and my table that'll come in late this week or early next week. So I'll do some more updating as soon as I get those in. So pretty excited about this coffee cart. Again, just to cover it, the goal of the coffee cart is to create something that anyone could be able to find the items for, so you can get them at Amazon, eBay, or your big box corporations like Home Depot and Lowe's. Able to be moved by one woman or a small man. So basically I need to keep the weight under 300 pounds. I find that with coffee carts, often they're very heavy and they're not able to be pushed around by one person. You're not able to load it on or off of a trailer. That's a disadvantage to the coffee cart owner. I like to keep the weight under 300 pounds. I'll be putting out all the information as we go along, and then ultimately I'll be creating an ebook, and of course putting the ebook on the website greenjoecoffeetruck.com. Okay, thanks for tuning in.